6:13 this morning. Let's get right to your hour-by-hour forecast because I'm sure the last thing anybody really wants to hear at this point is rain, which is crazy considering how much we were wanting rain. We had all those really hot, humid days and we wanted the rain. And then we got too much of it, and it seems like too often that happens. The good thing I can tell you today is there's not going to be even as much rain as yesterday, it looks like, but the rain chance is still there. Now, in the morning hours, we're just talking about a couple light showers, kind of like what we're seeing right now in northern Hidalgo County. I can't rule it out in some other places in the valley. But not a lot going on. I do think things are going to ramp up a little bit this afternoon. I do think there's still the possibility of thunderstorms this afternoon. That's indicated by that little shade of yellow and orange. And my one little bit of concern is, yes, one of those storms could occur in this area where there's still ongoing flooding. And that means that where water is trying to recede, it could go back up. Now, that won't happen if it's just a little light shower, but if a thunderstorm occurs in that area, yes, that could lead to those flood levels rising. But elsewhere, I don't think there's going to be any new flooding because in most places, again, where there isn't any flooding, we have had a day now to help dry out some. So we're not under a flash flood watch today because the threat for new flooding is very low, but it's there in the area that's still seeing ongoing flooding. Notice still a rain chance late this afternoon, and I still got to keep a small rain chance in the evening and overnight hours. Notice there's still some activity, not as much as the afternoon hours, but cannot rule out some stray showers still evening and to the overnight. And guess what? In the days ahead, we've got a lot more small rain chances. But one thing to note is actually looking at the next 7 days. Again, this is rainfall over 7 days. The biggest totals are going to be up north. And why? That's where the cold fronts are largely going to be. This time of year, the fronts have more and more trouble making it south. That said, notice there's actually, though a lot of green is showing up with not much rain, notice the shades of blue over Texas and Florida. High pressure is coming back, but it's not going to be as strong as it was. And so every day over the next 7 days, there's a chance of rain, but most days the rain chance is 10 or 20%. So most days you're probably going to stay dry, but you add it up over the next 7 days, eventually I do think everybody's going to see rain. Most of us are probably going to see from around 1/4 of an inch to about 1.25 inches. That said, there are going to be thunderstorms, and that changes everything. If you get right under a thunderstorm, you could pick up 2 inches in one day. But then you might not see rain again for another 5 days. But that's what we're going to be dealing with for the next 7 days. There is more rain in the forecast, but notice you're not seeing those shades of purple. Again, that could happen in some locations, but it's not going to be widespread. So lots of small rain chances, no big rain chances. In fact, today is one of our better chances of rain, a 30% chance of showers and storms, mainly in the afternoon. Partly to mostly cloudy skies, highs around 92. Still looks like a breezy day with gusts around 20 miles per hour. Tonight, partly to mostly cloudy skies, a 20% chance of rain, so not as much as during the daytime hours. Lows around 77, still a touch on the muggy side. Now tomorrow, the rain chance going down from today, but kind of like tonight, a 20% chance of showers and storms. I still think slightly better chance in the early afternoon hours. I think it'll be mostly cloudy to start, but skies will become mostly sunny in the afternoon, so a little bit more sun as well. Still not that hot though. I still think temperatures going to be right around 92. As far as your First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast, we've got, again, a 20% chance of rain Thursday, Friday, Sunday, and Monday. I think the driest day may end up being Saturday, just a 10% chance of rain there. That looks like the day high pressure is the strongest, so mid-90s, 94 for our high. We do see indications there might be a little wave of low pressure coming back on Tuesday, and that could enhance rain chances, but definitely Thursday through Monday, very small rain chances, but the chance is still there.